chocolate babies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's your girl dipped in chocolate, and that's on period. So today we'll be doing just a motivational thing as some schoolgirls giving advice to you guys. So yeah guys, today I'll be having Saqueen. Tell me Instagram name.
My Instagram name is Saqueen on Instagram.
Period. So I have some merch. It will be down in my description below. So just check out my description and follow my Instagram. Everything I did there. So for your Instagram also going in my description below.
Yes guys, and also my business page at Bonnets by Queen on Instagram.
Period. So at the end of the video I'll be showing some bonnets and some merch by me. So today's video is basically about we giving you guys some advice on school and how to study and some tips and all of that. So the first thing we'll be talking about is the advantages of school. First of all, just to know say you go to school, just to know say you know you're there, that is a big hype. Like me go to school, me educated, me this, me that. That is the first thing is that you're just hype. Nobody can talk to you, right? That's not true.
Going to school is a big advantage because you're getting knowledge about things that's going on in the world. So like if you go to school, you obviously are gonna have knowledge on certain things. So yeah. It's basically an advantage.
And going to school, you can be qualified to do certain jobs, and you know, you're gonna be qualified. You're gonna have your subject them. You know, first of all, you're gonna have your literary and numeracy. You're gonna have GSAT, PEP no, because in a full time at the GSAT.
Yeah.
But you're gonna have your PEP, and in the high school, you're gonna have your subjects and your associate degree. So sometimes you know say school might be difficult. You might say, oh my god, I want to give up. Oh my god, I just can't bother with this. But take this video, take we within a sixth form at Oberlin High School. Big up Oberlin High School right there. So anyways, so you know say you gotta have a subject, your associate degree if you decide to go to college or decide to go to sixth form. So that's one big hype. You're gonna be qualified to do any job. You better you be overqualified than underqualified,
Yes.
right? So, it gives you intelligence. As Saqueen said, you are going to know things you never know before. Your vocabulary and your knowledge is going to be expanded, right?
Yes.
So, these are some good advantages of school. School also gives you more social life. For example, you come to school, you meet friends from different backgrounds.
Interact with
you interact
people.
Exactly. So, it widens your social life. So one night say no one come to school, only can make friends sometimes. Alright, let me give you a short
Some of your
story.
greatest friends come from school.
Exactly. Let me give you a story. I have my best friend Kiki, my best friend Jada. We are come from primary school. See, school, I was still there as friends. So school helped me make some nice friends. They are just wonderful. They are perfect, period. And one thing about social life and making friends, you have disadvantages and advantages, because when I had some friends back in grade 8, them bad company and so
Talk behind your back and all of that.
yeah, so you have advantages of the social life, expanding your social life, and disadvantages. So you just have to know your friend them, quiz them, like say certain things and see how them are gonna react to it to know if you're your friend. Yes. And the last one, widens your knowledge. Same thing as intelligence. So, oh my god. Yeah, so Saqueen is going to tell you some study tips and how to get A and A plus on all your tests.
Subjects. Yes. So the first one is make the most of your study time. What do you think that means?
Make the most of your study time.
Okay, so make the most of your study time. Make a schedule for studying. Alright, you can't just get up and say, yeah, study so. That not gonna work well. Make a timetable. Make a study timetable, like you say. In the morning, alright, on the weekend you say I go study. say you study English in the mornings.
Yes.
And then you take a break. And then after that break, you go study social studies. And then you continue with that timetable. You can't just get up and say you study one subject, then you go study that subject.
Exactly.
Yes. So just make the most of your study time and study a lot. When you study, you will pass. Period. So the next one is, don't just study solo. Like sometimes people can study by themselves, you know, but
Yes.
sometimes it works best if you study in groups.
Yes, so that would have been like an exchange of knowledge.
Yes, so like say you study with your friend them, it help you, you know, because some things where you don't know what them might know, and some
and
things
vice
where
versa.
them, yes.
Yeah. So that
like,
is what that be? That be like. That's a good, pretty good one.
Yes. So you can study in groups. You don't have to like study
Don't be
by
selfish.
yourself, because sometimes you can get frustrated and no one study again.
Yes, if the person could have motivated to study.
Yes.
Yeah, that is
And
good.
also people them we choose to study with, make
Yes.
sure them are motivated, them are uplift you.
Right.
Yes. So study in groups, people.
Sometimes.
Deal with your stress. That is a
Yes,
big
because if your
one.
mind is not contented, you cannot study because you'll be thinking about the situation and not on your studying.
And you should not fret. Don't fret about
the
the exam.
exam.
Yes.
Just go in there like people. Put God first in everything that you do. You see, every one of my exam them, me pray. Me try to put God first in everything when me do, so that, you know, God did it with way.
Yes.
Right this song.
Always. So ask for help. Some people might have too much pride.
Yeah.
And them not ask for help, but you should ask for help because you don't know everything.
Exactly.
So ask for help when studying. Ask questions if you don't know something. It not take nothing for you to ask people, ask teacher,
Yeah.
ask for help.
Yeah. So I also have some studying tips. One big one that we tend to not do is reread our notes. Like if we get for example in science, like would I get the digestive system today, would us write off a notes, answer questions in a class, think of that our brain as, you know, take the information off of the book and we don't reread.
We
when go
don't
home.
look back on our
When
notes.
you go home, you're supposed to reread your notes. Also, a very good one that I have seen that have helped me and have helped other persons are to buy the little cue cards and, for example, if the teacher...
Even the notepads.
Yeah. For example, you know the sticky one that you put in your book that come in various different colors? Yes. So, on that, you could put on your notes what you understand from the topic, so that when you are studying, you will know what the topic is basically talking about, because what you put there, right? Yes, and also that she said a while ago, readdressing the teacher, especially in math class, because some of us is like we're afraid. Yes, readdressing the teacher is a good way to understand the topic, because especially in mathematics, when time within a math class and we don't want nobody knows, so we don't understand the math, especially if the entire class understand and you want to understand, you don't want to readdress the teacher. So miss, I do not understand. People, pride not bringing away, because at the end of the day, everybody are going to pass with them 1 and them 2 and them distinction, and you are going to end up with a 4 and your 5. So, I readjust the teacher. Yeah, and share information is very good, you know.
Also, next important one is getting enough sleep.
Yeah.
You have to get enough rest.
Just imagine you are studying on a book.
8 hours of rest is the least amount of rest you should get.
Yes.
So like, don't go to bed 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, and then in your
some persons have insomnia, do you know?
Yeah, but like you forget enough rest.
Yeah.
In the morning when you wake up, now you're lazy, you're slouchy, you just.
Yeah. So get enough rest, guys. The other one is
it's prep the night before the exam.
Yep.
What do you think that means?
Prep.
Like,
SWAT a little bit.
yes,
Yeah.
SWAT. Like, you are gonna study a week before the exam, 2 weeks before the exam, right? But make sure you look over the night before so you remember
Yeah.
where you study.
You ever like, oh my god, that this happened to me every time. Like, for example, me did our exam and like the night before me not study because I heard that we're not supposed to study. Me not swap, me not know. So I'm going to exam and me say, me not see this but me can't remember. Me just in that stress. Me say me can't remember. Just if me did just look over.
Yes, that is really important, guys.
Yeah. And guys, the last one about preparing for your exam is
When you're in the exam room, take your time. Don't rush the paper.
read over.
Yes.
Please.
Even if you're done the paper, look back over your answer them.
Yep.
Yes.
So guys, thank you for watching. I love you guys, and that's on period. And that's on
Period.
guys, don't forget to go in the description below for our social medias and for our merch and for my merch and for the other videos that I have on my channel. Guys, just big up Oberlin High School, big up on yourself, CXC, Cape, GSAT, and Pep gone already?
No.
And Pep is around the corner. Please listen to our advice. We know. We know.
Like, guys, comment, share, and subscribe.
And turn on your post notification to be notified when I upload another video again. And just love on yourself, respect on yourself. Right, this so. I'm gonna put the book in the way.